chromosomal abnormalities. Each human diploid 2n body cell has 46 chromosomes. That is 23 pairs we have. Chromosomal disorders are caused by errors in the number or structure of chromosomes. The number of the chromosome or the structure of the chromosome are deciding the abnormalities present in the chromosome. The chromosomal anomalies usually occur when there is an error in cell division. If there is any error during the cell division, that will result in the chromosomal abnormalities. It may be due to the failure of chromatids to segregate during the cell division. So, we will get extra chromosome or we will lose one chromosome. This case is called as aneuploidy. It is caused by non-disjunction of chromosomes. Group of signs and symptoms that occur together and characterize a particular abnormality is called as a syndrome. So this segregation, the failure of chromatid segregation is called as non-disjunction of chromosomes. So, if there is any non-disjunction of chromosomes, if we get excessive of chromosomes or loss of chromosomes, then we will get some signs and symptoms to characterize a particular abnormality. This is what we lack or this is what we have in excess. That is called as a syndrome.
Chromosomal disorders. Genetic disorders are chromosomal disorders. The disorders caused due to the absence of excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. Chromosomal disorders may be either of aneuploidy or polyploidy. Aneuploidy. It is the gain or loss of chromosomes due to failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. N plus 1 or N minus 1 will be the nature of this aneuploidy. Polyploidy. It is an increase in whole set of chromosomes due to failure of cytokinesis after the telophase stage of cell division. This is very rare in human but often seen in plants. That is, we will get triploid and tetraploid conditions. Down syndrome or Mongolism. It is the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21, trisomy of 21 chromosome. So 45A plus XX or 45A plus XY, that is 47 chromosomes will be present. In the 21st chromosome, you can see that there will be 3 chromosomes. Down syndrome or Mongolism features short stature with round head, broad flat face, furrowed big tongue and partially open mouth, broad palm with characteristic palm simian crease, many loops on fingertips, retarded physical, psychomotor and mental development, congenital heart disease. So you can see the people like this. As their eyes are somewhat different, they are called as mongoloids. And this is called as Mongolism. Patau syndrome. What is Patau syndrome? 13th trisomy is a chromosomal condition which causes physical malformations and intellectual difficulties. It was first described by Klaus Patau in the year 1960. What are the symptoms of Patau's? Skeletal abnormalities, heart defects, microphthalmia, poorly developed eyes, extra fingers or toes, cleft lip or cleft palate, hypotonia. That means weak muscles. How do and why do this occur? Is a result of non-disjunction in meiosis. So what is non-disjunction? So everywhere in our body we have cell, and inside the cell we have the chromosomes, and there we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, of which we consider only the 13th pair, and it is undergoing the process of meiosis. Just for this sake, we are using only 4 homologous pairs instead of 23 pairs. So the chromosomes are just divided with the help of the spindle fibers. This undergoes meiosis, the reduction division. This is the usual procedure of meiosis. But where is the non-disjunction? Let us see that. See, the chromosome here is left. So we have 2 chromosomes, one in the first cell. A pair of chromosome is left. So from the parent 1 and 2, we are getting the chromosomes for our own body, right? Either be the egg cell or the sperm cell. We will be getting the gene from our parent, the chromosome from our parent. So the chromosomes, 13th chromosome has got 3 copies. So statistics says that how many of us are getting this type of disease. 1 in 16,000 individual is getting this disease. The age of the woman is not a criteria for getting this disease. Unlike Down syndrome we had a thing. So why there is no solution for this? Because the infant die within a few days because of many health conditions. So if it is living, it will be living for only for the first year. So what is the remedy for this? How can we prevent this? There is no prevention. The only prevention is with our screening inside the womb itself. We have to screen. So there is no treatment for this. So we have to diagnose the Patau syndrome in the screening in the uterus itself. Thank you. Klinefelter syndrome. It is the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome in male. Genetic constitution 44A plus XXY, that is 47 chromosomes will be present. You can see the normal male and abnormal male in the picture, and the trisomy of 23rd chromosome XXY. Klinefelter syndrome features overall masculine development, however feminine development, that is development of breast or gynecomastia is also expressed. They are sterile and mentally retarded. So extra X chromosome will be seen in the man. Turner syndrome. This is the absence of one X chromosome in female. Genetic constituent 44A plus XO. That is 45 chromosomes will be present. You can see the difference between a normal and an abnormal here. Turner syndrome features: sterile and ovaries are rudimentary, lack of secondary sexual characteristics, dwarf, and mentally retarded.